Hi, today we'll be solving some questions of paper 4 of Maths 0580 code, and these questions have been these questions have been appeared in the previous exams of 2021. So we'll be solving these questions. The questions are of factorization. Okay, so the first question that we are going to solve is this. Now we have to factorize 5am plus 10ap minus bm minus 2bp. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll first collect the like terms together. Now what are the like terms over here? We'll take 5am and minus of bm. Okay, so let's take 5am minus bm together. Okay, these are the two terms, these are the two somewhat like terms that we have taken together, and the rest of the terms are 10 ap minus 2 bp. Okay, we have collected the like terms, like just similar like terms where we are seeing something common. Okay, now from the first two terms, what algebraic letter we can take common? We can take m as common. Okay, now what will be the bracket, what will be left in the bracket? It will be 5a minus b. Okay, now from the next two terms, what alphabet we can take as common? We can take p as common, and also we can take, since there are two numbers which is 10 and 2, so we can take 2 as common. Okay, so we'll take 2p as common. Okay, you have understood how we have taken 2p as common. So what will be left inside? Now 2p, now what we'll multiply 2p with to get 10ap? We'll multiply it by 5a. Okay, and after that, what we'll multiply with 2p to get 2bp? We'll multiply it by b. Okay, now from these two terms, what what is the expression that we can take as common? We can take 5a minus b as common. So we'll take 5a minus b as common. Now what will be left inside? M plus 2p. So here we have factorized this expression. Okay, we have factorized this expression by collecting the somewhat similar like terms together. Okay, now we'll go to the next question. Okay, these questions have been appeared in your 2021 paper 4. Okay, so we are discussing those questions right now. Okay, now the second question is 15 into k plus g whole square minus 20 into k plus g. Now we just have to look what other things that we can take common from this. Okay, what other things that we can take common? So first of all, we know that we can take k plus g as common. Okay, because in the first term it is k plus g whole square, and then in the second term it is k plus g, so we can take k plus g as common. Okay, now let us look at the numbers. What are the numbers? The numbers are 15 and 20. Okay, 15 and 20 are multiples of 5, so we can take 5 also as common. So what we'll take as common? We'll take 5 and k plus g as common. Okay, now what will be left inside? Now what should we multiply 5 into k plus g to get 15 into k plus g whole square? We have to multiply it by 3 into k plus g. Okay, now when we'll multiply 5 into k plus g into 3 into k plus g, so we'll get 15 into k plus g whole square. Okay, now what we'll multiply 5 into k plus g with to get minus of 20 k plus g? We'll multiply it by 4. Okay, you have understood how we have taken this expression as common, and how we have written the terms inside the brackets. Okay, now we'll expand it. 5 into k plus g. Now what is in the bracket? 3 into k plus g. Okay, 3 into k plus g. So we'll multiply 3 with the bracket, so it will be 3k plus 3g minus 4. So this is your factorized term. Okay, we have factorized this expression into this. Okay, now let us look at another example. The example is 4x square minus y to the power of 4. You have to factorize this. Now we know that 4x square can be written as 2x whole square. Okay, 4x square can be written as 2x whole square, and y to the power 4 can be written as y square whole square. Okay, 2x square can be written as 4x square can be written as 2x whole square, and y to the power 4 can be written as y square whole square. Now we know that this is of the form a square minus b square, where your a is 2x and your b is y square. So we know by the property that a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So we'll apply this over here. So a minus, so first we'll write a plus b. So what is a here? 2x. What is b here? Y square. So a plus b is 2x plus y square, and a minus b is 2x minus y square. So we have factorized this. So your this expression 4x square minus y to the power 4 has been factorized into 2x plus y 2x plus y square into 2x minus y square. So these are some questions of your factorization method, which the questions that have appeared in your papers.